Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. Today I want to walk you through this brand new 2024 Premier 230 Intrigue. So the Intrigue is more at that top level, so lots of different options. Really looks a lot different than a lot of the other pontoons. So the 230 Intrigue is 23 feet in length. This particular one, we have the nice rich dark blue on the bottom with the white accent. I think that looks really, really nice. And then a darker accent along here. And then another option, there's actually a lighting, LED light on the outside that runs up and down here. So at night you can pop that on, gives a really cool look. We also have the electric bimini on this 230 Intrigue. So on the back, we'll start down here. It does have underwater lights as an option. You can pop those on, it looks really cool at night. We got the really nice, beefy ski tow bar, so skiing, tubing, anything you want to do. This thing isn't going anywhere. It's also a light that turns on in here to light up the logo for Premier. And then we have the chains that go across here, so if you're sitting in the back, you can sit back there while the boat is in motion. And then lastly, on the back here, we have the Merc. So the 400 Merc, this is a 300 horsepower V8. So plenty of power to get you up and doing water sports or just a cruise around the lake. Lots to see on the interior. Let's go take a look. All right, welcome to the interior of this 230 Intrigue. We'll take a look at the layout first. So this is their RL or rear lounging layout. Really nice option back here. You have some versatility, whereas like right now I could have people sitting facing forward with the backrest, and I can also have people facing aft with the backrest, and they are not fighting for backrest support. And then when you want to make a change, both of these will move in two other positions. So I've got this position right here if you want to face forward, and then it actually goes all the way down, and same with that one right there, and that can go all the way down, and you got a nice big lounger in the back for you. Plenty of cup holders back here, got some lockable storage over there, and then everybody's fan favorite is the paper towel roll holder. So put some paper towels on there. Nice place for it, just gets put down into here. Kind of cool. All right, up here at the helm area, we got the two captain's chairs side by side. Pretty much the same. You know, they have the nice stitching in here. You got the beautiful logo here. Super plush, very nice, good, feels good. You got the armrests that come down. You got the recliner. And then in the captain's chair, you get an extra thing. You get the extra bolster seat. You have it already up a little bit, but then you get the bolster to get yourself even higher if you're the driver. So that's kind of nice. Really like their steering wheel right here. So you've got the steering wheel that moves around, and then you have some controls within the steering wheel to help move and maneuver from whatever you need. You got some more redundant controls down in here for docking lights, rail lights on the outside, like I mentioned before, your bimini that moves up and down electrically, and then you have your cooled cup holder right here. So you can put your cup of your beverage in here, turn that on, it'll stay nice and cool for you. And then last is the big Simrad. So this is all touchscreen. You got GPS in there. You got a lot of different things in there. You can also see the diagnostics of your engine, see how that's doing. So lots in the Simrad system for you to use. And then I guess the other thing I want to point out is the cell phone holder right there. So it fits any size cell phone for yourself. Really liking the helm here. The stereo system in the 230 Intrigue is all JL audio. So you have your JL audio system right here. This is where you can control a lot of the stuff right there. And then throughout the boat, you have your speakers from JL. And then right here, we have the subwoofer that is right there. So sound quality is amazing with JL audio. Another place I really like right here is I can put my phone right here, and it's actually a charger inside there. So it stays out of the sun, and you can charge it up. So really cool option for there. The other add-on for this boat is the filler cushion for the front. So this can actually maneuver in and out if you want it. If you don't need it in the boat that day, you can take it out. But a lot of times it stays right up in the front here. There's storage underneath the seat. There is a changing room underneath this seat, just pops all the way up. You got a big changing room. And then more storage underneath here. You got cup holders right here. And then with the Tri-Tune, everybody loves the storage in the floor, so you got plenty of space there. Again, Intrigue 230 on the higher end of the Premier lineup, very plush, lots of options in this. So if you like that kind of stuff, this is definitely the pontoon for you. This is here at our Rogers location. So if you want to come on by and check it out, or if you want to set up an appointment, just give us a phone call. We'll set up an appointment with you. As always, click the like button for this video, and also please click to subscribe to see all the videos that we're putting out on a daily basis.